Okay guys, we got to Calves Beach Resort here in Zamboanguita. This is the place. This is the parking. Very narrow though. If you have a big truck, then you're gonna have a hard time. So we are going inside. We're going to our room. Our room is just right there. So this is a room with a little veranda. Pretty, I love it. This is the ocean view. You can see the ocean right there. And right there. And there's another, oh, that's a private house, I think. So that's the ocean. It's nice here. It's very calm. There's no a lot of people. So this is our room.
Sleeping?
See, I gotta turn on the lights. Oops.
So everything is on.
Wow, it's so dim. So this is our room. This is the bed. It's nice. Big. For a split AC. With a flat screen TV. But the internet, the Wi-Fi is only in the restaurant. I'll get our Wi-Fi here. So we have a little fridge inside that little cabinet, I think. That's what the receptionist told me. Yeah, the little
You gotta
fridge.
empty it and put all our stuff inside.
Yeah.
Empty it and put the stuff
Hold
inside.
on.
Okay. And then put all the stuff inside. I don't think it really cools down.
Ako niyo. Oh, you already checked?
Yeah, I already put my hand in and checked
Oh, ang weird ah. A little fridge are like that. Hold on guys.
See, that's it. That's how it should be. The AC should be pointing to your legs. Not to your...
There's a big mirror. How nice. I love it. So this is the hanger area. And this is where you put your, this is a little closet. And this is the bathroom. It's big. I love it. Look at that. Toilet with a bidet. With a little window. Dirty window. And this is a shower. It's big. I like it. It's a big shower room. It's not bad. How much is this per day, my love?
Hmm?
How much?
This is like
I think for 4 nights.
$45.
Oh, it was like $223
$45, I think.
for 4 nights, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not bad. We're going.
$45 a night is good.
Yeah.
Did you show the ocean view?
Yeah.
The wonderful ocean view?
Yeah. I'm going back to the truck. And there's like a bungalow style down there. Yeah, Bobo. Yeah. I'll do it later again.
No, not here. Later we'll do the other one.
Yeah, yeah. Okay guys, I'll show you again later. Bye.